Hello, it's Melissa Henig from rawpaleo.com. This is Jeremiah. He's going to be helping me today. I figured I'm just about to make a raw butter pie and we can never have enough raw butter pie videos. So here we go. I'm making half a recipe. Just follow along and jot it down if you can because I don't really have it written down anywhere. We're just kind of making this up as we go. You're helping. So this is a butter we've already opened and been using. There's a half left, so it's 1/2 pound of raw butter into the Vitamix. I'll scoop this back a little. Oh, and it's nice and soft. I let it sit on the counter, well, about a couple days. You don't have to leave it that long. Just in the summertime for a couple hours, you can let it sit on the counter. It'll soften. It'll make the pie much easier to make. Honey, are you working on the strawberries? So this is going to be a strawberry banana butter pie. Hold on one second. Okay. So next I have 2 organic bananas. Kind of some brown spots. Alright. Usually I would use like the full container. I would do 3.5 bananas, but you're seeing a half a recipe. Oh gosh. Okay. Yes, thank you. Next we're going to do 2 raw eggs. These are pasture raised and organic. Oh, the eggshell got in there. Okay, can you see that okay? 2 eggs. And raw honey. Sometimes I put a little lemon so the banana doesn't turn, but I don't have any lemon. And that's about a tablespoon of raw honey. So that's all we're going to put in. And we're going to blend the first half, and then I'm going to pour out 1/2 of it, and then blend it with strawberries, and then pour that, and then we'll stir it, and then that's how you make the swirl. Oh, I love raw honey. It's such a good sweetener and nutrient-dense food, actually. Okay, gonna help? Ready? I'll help you. Oh, honey. Keep stirring it down. Hear it when it's done. It just, the sound changes. Okay, so we're going to use this, but he's poured all the strawberries into it. So let's pour them out. Okay. This is for the family, so. Okay, Jeremiah, you want to help? Hold on a second. What we're going to do is pour half of this out into the jar, or I'm sorry, the bowl. Here, you can lick it. That's a good way to help. So just so you can see, this is the first part. So just pour half out. That's good. And now I'm going to add, oops, so loud, a bunch of fresh strawberries to the rest of the mix. And we'll blend that, and then we'll pour that in, and then we harden it in the fridge. There's no crust. There's not going to be any topping, but you could add those if you want to the pie. This is just super simple. I don't really want the nuts anyways because I feel like most nuts are rancid, and that's why we're not going to have a crust. Okay. So strawberries are in there, and we're going to blend. Okay, I'm going to need this back. You going to put it in? Honey, that was okay, the second time around you really don't have to blend as long. It's, well, let me see. Yeah, it's a little chunky from the strawberries, so we'll blend a little more. gosh, it's getting everywhere. So this is the color of the second half. When I put it in here, I put it into different corners so that it can kind of like swirl together and you can still see the different colors. Can you kind of, you know, it's a little runnier than usual. It's really hot, so the butter was really soft. So we'll see if it swirls quite the same as, and then you can just take your spatula. Oh gosh, let's see, I wish you could see this better. Oh, it's still kind of like not really showing up right. Oh, there. Oh, there's a glare. Oh, let me stand over here. Oh, there we go. Okay. And then you just take this, you swirl it together, or kind of make a design. Oh, and that's it. So this is going to be the raw butter, I guess I'll hold it, strawberry cream pie, and I'll put it in the fridge for a couple hours, and I'll take a picture and post the picture. Here it is again. Oh, it's so delicious and so beautiful. And bye, Jeremiah. Hey. See you soon.